Hi everyone, my name is Sava. Today we will be looking at Rhythms app. It's my first impression, I never used that. So let's try out guitar and snare. I like that as a guitar player. I'm choosing you. Oh, not so fast. Okay. Drums and melody. Ловись, Wi-Fi, большой и маленький. Okay. I guess it's stopping every time I hit the wrong note. So this mode is good for learning the sequence. I guess let's try out live mode. No, 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 no. Yikes. If you have some sound pack from Drumpad 24 and you don't know how to play it, you can just download the Rhythms app and learn it. Oh! In conclusion, if you want to play better or you're a newbie, you can just download this app and level up your skills. So happy beat making, bye!